Hi everyone, welcome back to the world of Edurao Official. How good is your general knowledge about living things? Let's find out. Comments below. How many you got right? Only true genius will get 100%. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 41. The atoms of different elements combine with each other through ionic or covalent bonding to produce compounds. This stable form is called A. An organ. B. A molecule. C. Tissue. D. Both A and C. That's right. You got it. The correct answer is a molecule. Question 42. Which one of them is a micromolecule? A. Polysaccharide. B. Protein. C. Hemoglobin. D. ATP. You're completely accurate with that. The correct answer is ATP. Question 43. A structure formed by groups of similar cells organized into loose sheets or bundles performing similar functions is called as A. An organ. B. An organism. C. A tissue. D. A cell. You've made a fantastic point. The correct answer is a tissue. Question 44. Hemodialysis means cleaning of A. Urine. B. Blood. C. Glomerular filtrate. D. Coalomic fluid. You're right on target. The correct answer is blood. Question 45. In animals, coordination is achieved by means of A. Nervous system. B. Endocrine system. C. Respiratory system. D. Both A and B. You've hit the nail on the head. The correct answer is both A and B. Question 46. Production of sweat and sebum is related with A. Skin. B. Liver. C. Lungs. D. Gastrointestinal tract. That's a valid and correct point. The correct answer is skin. Question 47. Group of living organisms of the same species living in the same place at the same time is called A. Community. B. Population. C. Ecosystem. D. Biome. I see it the same way, you're right. The correct answer is population. Question 48. The evaporative cooling in the respiratory tract of dogs is called A. Vasodilation, B. Vasoconstriction, C. Panting, D. All of these. You've hit the right spot. The correct answer is panting. Question 49. Different species of plants and animals living in the same habitat is called A. Population, B. Community, C. Biome, D. Habitat. That's exactly right. The correct answer is community. Question 50. Which of the following pathogen type cause disease that can be treated with antibiotics? A. Bacteria, B. Fungi, C. Virus, D. All of them. You've identified it correctly. The correct answer is bacteria. Question 51. A large regional community primarily determined by climate is called A. Population, B. Community, C. Biome, D. Habitat. That's exactly right. The correct answer is biome. Question 52. Most cell membranes are composed principally of A. DNA and protein, B. Protein and lipids, C. Protein and chitin, D. Protein and RNA. You've identified it correctly. The correct answer is protein and lipids. Question 53. The concept that various organisms dominated this planet during various geological time period, and thus placing organisms in a time sequence, came from the studies by A. Environmental biologist, B. Paleontologist, C. Marine biologist, D. Social biologist. You've hit the right spot. The correct answer is paleontologist. Question 54. Normally, in the process of osmosis, the net flow of water molecules into or out of the cell depends upon differences in A. Concentration of water molecules inside and outside the cell, B. Concentration of enzymes on either side of the cell membrane, C. Rate of molecular motion on either side of the cell membrane, D. All of them. I agree, you're correct. Correct answer is concentration of water molecules inside and outside the cell. Question 55. It is possible to date the rocks by comparing the amount of specific radioactive isotopes they contain. Which of the statement is correct in this respect? A. Older sediment layers have equal amount as that of the young ones. B. Older sediment layers have less amount as that of the young ones. C. Older sediment layers have greater amount that of the young ones. D. Older sediment layers did not have these radioactive isotopes. Correct answer is, older sediment layers have less amount as that of the young ones. Question 56. Sodium ions are pumped from a region of lower concentration to a region of higher concentration in the nerve cells of humans. This process is an example of A. Diffusion. B. Passive transport. C. Osmosis. D. Active transport. You've hit the right spot. The correct answer is active transport. Question 57. An unbroken series of species arranged in ancestors to descendant sequence with each later species having evolved from one that immediately preceded it is called A. Biome. B. Phyletic lineage. C. Community. D. Population. That's exactly right. The correct answer is phyletic lineage. Question 58. Proteins are made from amino acids by the process of A. Hydrolysis. B. Pinocytosis. C. Dehydration synthesis. D. Active transport. That's exactly right. The correct answer is pinocytosis. Question 59. Biological sciences have a set methodology, and it is based on A. Experimental inquiry. B. Aesthetic preference. C. Philosophical ideas. D. Imaginations. You've hit the right spot. The correct answer is experimental inquiry. Question 60. Which is an organic compound found in most cells? A. Water. B. Glucose. C. Oxygen. D. Sodium chloride. I agree, you're correct. The correct answer is water.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.